am going to introduce our project. The title of our project is A Novel Approach for Content-Based Image Extraction. Abstract. To search for a relevant image from an archive is a challenging research problem for computer vision research community. Most of the search engines retrieve image based on the traditional text approaches that rely on captions and metadata. In the last 2 decades, extensive research is reported for content-based image retrieval. In this project, we propose to develop a novel framework for content-based image extraction. Introduction. What is content-based image extraction? Content refers to the color, texture, shape. It is used to search for images that are similar to an input image. CBR takes a query image as an input and it retrieves visual similar images by comparing the visual features of query image with the visual features of the database image. Types of image retrieval methods. They are TBIR, CBIR, hybrid. TBIR, text-based image retrieval. In text-based image retrieval, retrieve image based on the geolocations, keywords, tags, labels or short descriptions. CBIR. In CBIR method, we can retrieve image based on the content of the image, nothing but color, shape, texture. Hybrid model. In hybrid approach, both textual query and visual features are combined to obtain the desired output image. For example, if you want to retrieve image from the large database, first we have to give a query image as an input and then the features of the query image, the features of the database image will be compared and it gives the output image which is relevant to the input image. Problem statement. In this project, we propose to develop a novel framework for content-based image extraction. Block diagram of existing system. In this block diagram, query image is given as input image and then feature extraction is performed after the features of the query image, the features of the database image will be compared and it gives the output image and which is similar to the query image. Existing techniques. There are two concepts are involved. They are manual labeling and automatic image annotation system. These two techniques have some drawbacks and these two techniques are not suitable for the large data set. In existing system, gray level co-occurrence matrix is used. It does not analyze the image in all directions. Drawbacks of existing system. Not accurate, highly complex, image retrieval efficiency is very less, time consuming method, require huge hardware, high processing time, consume huge power, high operational and maintenance cost, computationally very complex. Proposed system. In this proposed system, first we have to create database. While creating the database, each database image pre-processed with the robust discrete wavelet transform. This discrete wavelet transform used to analyze the image in all direction and it is used to reduce the noise and it used to reduce the database size. Block diagram of proposed system. First we have to give test image and this test image is pre-processing with the discrete wavelet transform. Here by using Gaussian filter we can reduce the noise. After that feature extraction is performed and then the features of the test image and features of the database image will be compared and it gives the output image which is relevant to the input image. Operation. There are mainly 4 steps are involved. First one is image pre-processing and feature extraction and then feature selection and finally similarity measure. What is image pre-processing? Image should be pre-processed before the feature extraction process. Image pre-processing is just a step to prepare the image for feature extraction. Feature extraction. Feature extraction is a process that extracts the visual information of the image like color, texture, shape and edge. Feature selection. Feature selection is the key step in the image retrieval process. Generally, images are characterized by their visual contents like low-level features. Similarity measure. Here, this is the final step. Here, the features of the query image will be compared with the features of the database image. Advantages. The advantages of proposed system is highly accurate, very simple and flexible framework, image retrieval efficiency is very high, implements a high-speed process, requires very less hardware, reduced processing time, can detect and retrieve the speech annotated images with high precision, consume less power, low operational and maintenance cost, computationally very efficient. Applications. Fingerprint identification, biometric authentications, digital libraries, finger point detections, medical applications, historical research, and etc. Conclusion. CBIR used to search a specific image from a large database. Until now, CBIR is not the most accurate technique for finding desired outcomes. This technique is still in research state for finding better and accurate output. At present, this technique is implemented by Google. Result. In this result, first we have to select image directory. After selecting this, we need to load dataset, and after create database of image features, and then we can browse a image and then give that browse image as a query image, nothing but input image. After this, we get output image which is relevant to the input image. Here we can select number of images and then it gives the number of output images which are relevant to the input image. This is the matrix information about existing and proposed system. By using SVM, we can get matrix information about existing system and proposed system. Accuracy. The accuracy of existing system is less compared to proposed system. By using some extension methods, we can increase the accuracy of proposed system compared with the existing system. Tools and techniques. MATLAB software image pre-processing toolbox. Thank you. I am going to explain our code. This is the code we have developed for our project, a novel approach for content-based image extraction. After running the code, we get this particular page. Here we already created database with certain number of images. From this page, we have to select image directory. And then we have to load dataset. After loading the dataset, we have to create database of image features. Here, features of each image will be loaded. After this, select a query image from the browse. After selection, give that query image as a input image, and then it represents the relevant image as a output. Here, number of image returned gives the number of output images. For example, here we select number 5 and then it gives the 5 output images relevant to the input image. And this SVM button shows the matrix information about our project. Thank you. This is our project code.